Hi. When your job don't give you room for daily exercise like running, walking, lifting weights, your body will start losing its weight. Your body will start losing its shape. Having a good mental state of mind requires you to have a good physical exercise daily to ease out pressure from your body system. Exercise that can bring out the best results are walking and running, swimming, lifting weights, push-ups, toe standing, stretching. These will strengthen and tune your body quickly. Another thing you have to do is give your mind a break by sitting in silence for 30 minutes a day. Your mind is racing with too many thoughts every minute of the day. So, give it a rest in silence. This will strengthen your mental health. You can support this channel by subscribing and checking out my courses on the description. Turn on the notification for more. Thank you.